Streaming on First Coast News Plus. This is First Coast News on your side at noon.
Well, thank you for joining us for First Coast News at noon. I'm Katie Jeffries. A confessed hitman who had pleaded guilty to murder now making a claim in court that he gave, quote, false testimony, end quote. The courtroom outburst coming to light in new documents in the murder-for-hire trial in the death of Jared Bridegan. Bridegan was shot to death on a Jacksonville Beach roadway in 2022 after he stopped to move a tire from the road. Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, and her second husband, Mario Fernandez, are facing first-degree murder charges accused of plotting to kill Bridegan and offering Henry Tenen $150,000 to do it. Here is more on what the records reveal happened in court. In a January 13th status hearing, Judge London Kite says she was checking in on Tenen's case because she had not seen him since last year. Tenen's attorney, Alan Chipperfield, responds, "I think he's doing okay." Then records reflect that Tenen interjected, asking, "Your Honor, may I say something?" Judge Kite advises him to speak to his attorney first, but he continues with, quote, "I just want to bring to your attention that my testimony." Judge Kite tries to stop him again, but he continues by saying, "false testimony." The judge tells him to hold on, and his attorney says, "Mr. Tenen, we need to talk about that." But Tenen proceeds to ask for another attorney. Judge Kite says she is going to speak with Tenen's attorney, then Tenen himself, and he is taken from the courtroom. But the motion filed on Wednesday states that Tenen was never brought back to explain his statement, and his next appearance was passed until January 22nd, then moved out to April. Now defense attorneys for Fernandez and Gardner are asking for information about those statements and why his case was moved to April, and if the state attorney's office has followed up on his claim that his testimony was false. Reach out to Alan Chipperfield this morning. He says he is still Henry Tenen's attorney. There's going to be a hearing about this tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We'll keep you updated.